This is a typical position for the 3 pawns attack. White has a lot of space, but his development is not so easy to complete, because the d2 knight needs to over-defend e4, and then the c1 bishop does not have squares. Black is quite solid at the same time, but the main question is how to create counterplay. And White thought black could not display any kind of activity, and played rook b1 with the very ambitious thoughts of playing b4. This would not only reduce black's space control in the center, but also prepare the development of the bishop to b2 or a3. Or in some cases, even the more modest b3 followed by bishop b2 would be okay, without fearing any tactical blows on e4. And now it's obvious that if black does not generate counterplay within a few moves, his position would be simply passive. So it is up to you to think of a way of preparing the queenside expansion.